In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an MP3 audio file into various formats, like WAV and many others. First, open the app called Audio Converter, which you can find on the Play Store. Once it's open, click on Convert File. Select the audio file you want to convert. And then click on Format. Here, you'll see many options. Choose the format you want to convert your file to. Now, just click Done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another interesting video.